The lottery for Anne Arundel County Schools is now open. However, we know that navigating the application process can sometimes be confusing. Here, we're going to walk you through the application process for Monarch Academy Annapolis step by step. First, go to the Monarch Academy Annapolis website, monarchacademyannapolis.org/Annapolis. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a purple button that says Apply for Admission. You're going to want to click there. You'll be taken to the Monarch Annapolis Apply page. Click on the orange button that says Apply Now. You will then be taken to the AACPS Lottery page. You see a box in the center of your screen there to log in. If you are new to the county, you will need to create a new username and password. This is what that page will look like. If you are a current AACPS student, you will use your student's ID number and current password. The password is their 4-digit year, 2-digit month, then 2-digit day. The next screen is where you will select the school that you will be applying to for the 2024-2025 school year. After you have chosen Monarch Academy Annapolis, you will be taken to the student information screen. Here you will enter your child's name, address, and grade. The parent information screen is next. You'll only need to enter one parent's information to move on to the next page. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your student's current school for the 2023-24 school year. That is the school where your child currently attends. Other and parent instruction are options here as well. Next, you will list their home school. That's the local school for your neighborhood where they are zoned to go. Any school can be selected. The next page is the siblings page. We suggest that you click the box selecting no siblings and fill out a separate application for each of your children. At this time, no additional paperwork is needed. Once your student is accepted to Monarch Academy Annapolis, we will invite you to complete additional paperwork.